Hello everyone, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this math tutorial video, we are going to apply the Lambert W function to obtain the approximate value of x. So let's dive into it. So the question says 3x multiplied by e raised to the power of 3x is equal to 6. Now let us call here equation A. Now looking at equation A, you can see that the coefficient of e is equal to the index of e. So at this point, we can be able to apply the Lambert W function because the function states that if I have x multiplied by e raised to the power of x, if we apply the Lambert W function, this will be equal to x. So on that note, applying the Lambert W function here, we have it that this will be w, open your bracket, 3x multiplied by e raised to the power of 3x, close the bracket, equal to Lambert W function of 6. So the left hand side will reduce to 3x equal to w multiplied by 6. So to make s a subject, we divide both sides by 3. So we have that 3 can cancel out 3. So x is equal to w multiplied by 6 divided by 3. Now you can leave your answer like this, but if you have a calculator that supports the product log function, then the approximate value of x is equal to 0.477468, and it continues. Now let us check if this is true. 3x multiplied by e raised to the power of 3x is equal to 6. Now we have obtained the value of x, which is equal to 0.477468 and so on. So we have it that this becomes 3 multiplied by 0.477468 multiplied by e raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 0.477468. Everything is equal to 6. Now 3 times 0.477468 is equal to 1.432404 multiplied by e raised to the power of 1.432404. Everything is equal to 6. So if you simplify the left hand side, you will have 5.99992, which is approximately equal to 6. If you know you find the video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and also do not forget to like the video. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.